Hello, my name is Cormaine Bogan, and I'm going to show you how to change a hard drive on an Acer laptop. The hard drive in this laptop is only 250 gigs, so I'm going to replace it with the 650 gig hard drive. Bought it for like 80 bucks at Fry's. The tools we're going to need are just a basic screwdriver. These are half little bits that actually fits for the laptop or any kind of electronic devices. It comes with a kit. It's called a iWork kit tool set. It's 53 pieces. Pick it up at Fry's for like 20 bucks or so. Let's get started. The first thing we have to do is just turn it over and unlock the battery. Remove the battery from the the computer itself. Take your screwdriver. There's two screws here that holds the hard drive in place. Just unscrew those. This is also the cover for your hard drive. Just pull that up. It comes right out. Set that to the side. Hard drive just slides out, so you can just slide it out like that. Pull it out, and as you can see, there's 4 screws, 2 on each side. Remove those. See, once you remove the screws, the hard drive just slides right up and out, and we can replace it now with our new hard drive. Set that to the side. Just slide the new hard drive in like that, and replace the screws from the casing. This case actually just holds the hard drive in place, so it won't move while it's inside the computer. Be careful with the screws because they are small, and if you drop them, you might lose one. Make sure you have it on the surface where it won't slide off. Sometimes I use a little container to hold the screws while I'm doing a repair on the computer. Alright, now we're ready to put the hard drive back in. What we have to do is just drop it in and slide it up, and it locks it back in place. And we'll put the cover back on. Just slide the cover back on. Pops right back on. And secure the hard drive in place with the screws. And then we're going to put the battery back in. Make sure you lock it so it won't fall out. And that's how you replace a laptop and a hard drive on a laptop. My name is Cormaine Bogan, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave me comments. I can respond to you quickly. And also, hopefully in other videos that I will make soon, I'll teach you how to replace a laptop LCD screen, which is fairly easy to. Thank you for watching. My name is Cormaine Bogan. Hope to see you soon.